Alright, so here is the best way on how you can get SORA 2 best codes. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So I got a few codes with me, and later in this video I'm going to show you more ways on how you can get codes. So just watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, we'll go to our preferred web browser and just simply open it up, and we'll type in sora.chatgpt.com. Once we type it in, it will bring us to this explore page where we can enter the code. And then once you are in the site, so in this code area, you can pretty much put some codes over here. So here, as you can see, I got a few codes over here. So what you can do, you can try a few of these codes, but keep in mind, these codes might be expired or they might work for you. Like, they got different region systems. So if you are in a different region and you might try this code and it might work for you. So that's the thing with these codes. But if you go to this website on Reddit, it's for Sora 2, it's a mega thread. If you open it up, right over here, you will be able to see just, here, 100K comments. If you open up the comments, right, it will just show up all the codes, all the codes that you could use in this mega thread. But you just gotta find it, and once you find them, you just gotta put the code in, and you just gotta try which one works for you, and then you're good to go. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.